Buying and selling securities on Questrade involves a straightforward process on their trading platform. Here's a step-by-step guide. Buying securities. Log in. Visit Questrade's website and log into your account. Access trading platform. Go to trading or use the Questrade app. Search for security. Enter the ticker symbol or name of the stock, ETF, or other security you wish to buy in the search bar. Place a buy order. Click buy. Enter the number of shares or amount you want to invest. Choose the order type, market order or limit order. Set additional parameters like duration. Review and confirm. Review your order details for accuracy. Click submit to place the order. Selling securities. Log in. Access your account as described above. Navigate to holdings. Go to your portfolio to view your current holdings. Select security. Choose the security you want to sell. Place a sell order. Click sell. Enter the number of shares you wish to sell. Choose the order type, market order or limit order. Review and confirm. Review the details and click submit to execute the sale.